Welcome viewers. We teach English completely in a new way. It's only the starting point of the sentence. You can start speaking using our new way immediately. Importantly, to speak in English, it is enough if you watch our videos only and do the practice. You can start speaking confidently. See new way. Present tense for we, you, they, etc. Plural subject usage. Subject plus R plus C. This is for positive sentence. Subject plus R naught plus C. This is for negative sentence. R plus subject plus C. This is for question sentence. Ant plus subject plus C. This is for negative question sentence. QW plus R plus subject plus C. This is for question word sentence. SUB subject, QW question word, C complement, noun or adjective or adverb or V1 ing or infinitive word. You can use these words in the place of C. Noun words, in Chennai, in the college, on leave, etc. Adjective words, happy, ready, tall, etc. Adverb words, here, there, in, etc. V1 ing word, coming, going, reading, etc. Infinitive words, to come, to go, to read, etc. In C new way, present tense, in positive sentence, using the subject they. Subject plus R plus C. They are in Chennai, noun. Subject plus R plus C. They are happy, adjective. Subject plus R plus C. They are here, adverb. Subject plus R plus C. They are coming, V1 ing. Subject plus R plus C. They are to come, infinitive. We have given the example sentences in positive sentence only. You can say the other types of sentences in each line. For example, subject plus R plus C. They are in Chennai. Subject plus R naught plus C. They are not in Chennai. R plus subject plus C. Are they in Chennai? Ant plus subject plus C. Aren't they in Chennai? QW plus R plus subject plus C. When are they in Chennai? Likewise, say the other types of sentences in each line. Then, you can form sentences using the other given words. Definitely, you can start speaking in English at once in this heading. Send your doubts through comments. Good luck to all the viewers. Welcome viewers. We teach English completely in a new way. It's only the starting point of the sentence. You can start speaking using our new way immediately.